Grayson University, tricep extension. Starting position, regular stance, arm extended overhead. Ready position, move. Cadence, slow. Movement 1. Lower weights, keeping elbows upwards. Ready? 1. Movement 2. Return to starting position. Ready? 2. Movement 3. Repeat count 1. Ready? 3. Movement 4. Return to starting position. Ready? 4. Tricep extension. 3 repetition. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3.
1,
1, 2, 3.
2.
1, 2, 3.
Stop.
Ground your weights. Tricep extension.